What's up everybody, my name is Daisha and I do makeup, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from this to this. So basically this is a baddie makeup tutorial, how to become a baddie. You see the girls on Instagram, you see the girls on TikTok and all that. I'm going to show you guys how to get your makeup looking perfect for like everyday wear. And in a way, this is kind of like a get ready with me to go nowhere because I'm not going anywhere. And so don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my TikTok because I will be posting on there soon. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Also guys, I just want to say that I already did my brows. I already went ahead and did my brows. Basically you can do your brows however you want. And this is how I did mine. I basically do my brows the same in every single one of my videos. So if you want like a tutorial or like a refresher how to do that, you can just check out like any of my other videos. This is a primer that I use. I already put some on my face. It's the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. And now we're going to go ahead with the foundation. Alright guys, so this is a foundation that I use. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Foundation. And I basically use this in every single video because it's just that good, guys. I love using it. And I put it all over my face like so, and I actually blend it out with a brush, and here's how it looks. I'll blend it out. Next up is the contour, and this is a Fenty Beauty cream contour, and I put that on my forehead and on my cheekbones, and I go ahead and blend that out as well. And look at how the contour, like, it makes your face more sculpted and it makes it stand out more. This is the NARS creamy concealer, and I use that on my chin, on my cheeks, and on my nose, and also on my forehead. Alright guys, after I finish the contour, I go ahead with my concealer underneath my eyes, and don't forget to spray it with setting spray before you blend it out. Alright guys, now that you have put on your concealer underneath your eyes, it is now time for the powders. So these are the two pressed powders that I'm going to be using on my face. So these are both the Fit Me Matte and Poreless powders. One of them is in the shade Toffee and the other one is in the shade Coconut. Setting your concealer, you need to have a shade that's basically the same as your concealer shade. This is my concealer that I use, and it's really similar. It is very similar to my foundation color. So here is me setting my concealer with the shade Toffee, and I love using pressed powders. I've been using them a lot recently because I just love how it looks. Look at it before and after. It's just so cool. And then I use a brush to set my foundation next, and I tap some of that off on my hand, and then I go ahead and make the rest of my face matte. And now it's time for baking, which you guys know this is literally my favorite part. I love to bake. It's so satisfying, literally. Now it's time for the blush, and honestly, this is where the poop hits the fan. So as you can see, I'm just normally putting on my blush, and this blush is super pigmented. Like, it's crazy pigmented, and I don't realize I put too much until I look at myself, and look at my reaction, guys. Look at my eyes. I knew I put too much. I don't know what I was doing. I was just mindlessly doing it. I try and calm it down with some powder, but like, the look on my face is just priceless. I was like laughing editing this. Look at that. That's crazy. But guys, I managed to calm it down, and now I don't look like a clown anymore. I look normal, thank God. But now I do my eyeliner and my mascara, which I do on my bottom lashes and my top lashes, and then I put on my false lashes. Alright guys, here is the finished look. This is my everyday makeup tutorial, and this is kind of like a little get ready with me, basically to go nowhere because I'm at home and I'm not really going anywhere. But I figured I would make this video just to show like my everyday makeup routine and like a little baddie makeup tutorial for everybody. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow my TikTok, and I'll see you guys in the next video with another makeup video. Bye guys.